Hello, my name is Glenn. I'm in the Chesapeake right now. Often I sail in the Chesapeake alone. So the reason why I'm out of breath is because I just raised the sails and I am sailing lightly through a midst of crab traps. I'd like to share with you a little bit about my experience. I began sailing in 2020. I started sailing on Rainbow 24s. So throughout 2020 and 2021, I sailed in Chesapeake on those boats. Then in 2022, I bought my first sailboat. She's a 1978 Sabre Mark I 34 foot. I've had her now since August 2022, and I just got my permanent slip at the start of the season. So I'm excited. My boat has a home now, a more permanent home. So today I think is the 9th of April, and I'm out here sailing, and there are not a lot of people out. So every time I come out here by myself, I get a little nervous. I'm sailing by myself. The wind is switching up on me, and what I'm trying to do is maintain a steady course without the jib going, all the way to port, all the way to starboard, and me unable to set the jib right. But practice makes better. So anyway, what was I saying? The direction of the channel. Yeah, it's just to share with you my growth as a sailor, boat maintenance, things I do on the boat. I want to share with you, basically how I've become a better sailor. And eventually I would like to go to some areas, visit some areas, and